Multiply 36 to 57. Whenever you multiply two digits times two digits, you start at the bottom number and begin with the ones digit first. So the 7 here. We're going to multiply 7 to 6 and to 3 in that order, remembering that we're going to have to probably carry over. So 7 times 6 is 42. Write out your 2, carry over the 4. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. So since we're done that row, we write out all of 25. Now, since we're done the first row, I'm going to get rid of the numbers we used so I don't accidentally use them again. Now, on the bottom number, we move to the tens digit. So we're going to automatically place a 0 in the ones digit before we even begin. Now we're going to multiply 5 times 6 and then to 3, remembering that we're going to probably have to carry over. 5 times 6 is 30. Write out your 0, carry over the 3. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18. Write out 18 underneath. Now when you're done multiplying all of your numbers, you're going to add the numbers that you got. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 8 is 10. Write out 0, carry over a 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So we go from the right, 1, 2, 3, put a comma there, and we end up with 2,052. And that is our answer.